Great point. Moving forward, point number 4 of this week's 5 things from Deep Knowledge Investing. Moving to a portfolio company, Shockwave Medical, trades as SWAV. They announced beat earnings expectations and grows the market.
Yeah, so Deep Knowledge Investing subscribers got into Shockwave in December at just over $190. I was buying at 191. I got a nice note from one of my subscribers yesterday who told me he was buying at 189, 190. Going into last week's earnings, what we had was the stock had run up from 190 to the mid 230s. And then after a fantastic quarter, stock actually ran up to 270 and closed in the mid 260s. That is a really nice gain for our subscribers in 2 months. But, even then, Rob, we came out publicly on this and we told people that we were investing in this. And I think the stock was around 230, 235 at the time. So, even had you not been a subscriber, you could have come in later and made great profits on this. The earnings report was very strong. Shockwave announced fourth quarter revenue growth of 41%, which is fantastic. Earnings per share of $1.16 were far above analyst expectations of 89 cents. The company's talking about getting about 100 basis points or 1% of operating margin lift in 2024. That will be improved in 2025 from efficiencies that come from the new Costa Rican manufacturing facility coming online this year. And then the other thing is, I've been talking with interventional cardiologists, and somebody who is part of the Deep Knowledge Investing community and a cardiologist sent me this fantastic chart this week. And the thing that's amazing about this is Shockwave's IVL product. That's their product that they use electrical pulses to break up calcification in arteries. That was first commercially approved in the first quarter of 2021. Correct. Since then, look, it's impressive enough that Shockwave's market share right now is about 50% of these advanced, difficult procedures. But the more important thing is in that time, the market has grown from 11% of these procedures getting some sort of advanced product used on them to 16%. Right. And that is a huge increase. What that means is that people who had cases that were previously difficult or impossible, or where they could get the stent in, but the long-term medical prognosis of that stent wasn't going to be positive. All of a sudden, what Shockwave has done is not just taken share from weaker companies that just have product that isn't as good. More importantly, they've been able to grow the market. The market itself is almost 50% larger, and that's a huge difference maker.
Yeah, definitely big just in terms of that technology being able to be used. And Gary, you guys have done a great job kind of breaking down what it is, how it works, and then bringing in the investment angle as well. So exciting things for Shockwave, and we'll obviously keep everybody in tune with that as things progress over the course of this year.